Thank you so much, all of you, for attending the meeting. Thank you for attending the web event today. My name is Biju Warrior, and I'm fortunate to be an alumnus of RI Bhubaneswar, having been on campus from 1996 to 2000. We are all part of the RI community and are trained to be teachers. And it's an ominous day today. I'm referring to October 2nd. We are here to celebrate October 2nd, Gandhi Jayanti. And the world is celebrating the power of freedom and the strength of unity. And we are here together talking about the launch of a platform that will unite us and rekindle the spirit of companionship that we used to have in our campus days. I'm fortunate to be part of the great discussion team where the idea of a global and a united community started taking shape. The idea went through various filters and brainstorms to refine into what we have today. And this is probably just the first step of creating a great and envious network and a robust platform that can be a boiling pot of ideas, manifesto of activities, and bragging honors. We are going through unprecedented times, and probably it's a divine opportunity to reflect on what we have achieved individually and collectively, and how we can harness our strengths, our ideas, our opportunities, and our dreams to bring out changes and get things done. We probably had wished on many occasions to do good deeds, catalyze changes, help people, guide them, and whatnot, but have fallen short due to the enormity of the purpose or lack of resources. This is an opportunity to rekindle that good in you, where you can move mountains by collaborations and bring about joy together as one community. RIEEA is probably not an alumni association, but a coming together of minds. It is envisioned as the common ground for the common good across RI campuses across the country, a resurgent voice for the RI community at large and for the education space. As they say, the beginning is always now. However, starting is not most people's problem. Staying, continuing, and finishing is. We hope that this great day, this great team, and under the flag of the great institutions of RIE, we can look ahead with hope. I hand over the charge to our presenters, Dr. Deepika Menon and Vikas Gupta, who will take you through the details of this grand association. Thank you.
Thank you, Biju, for the wonderful introductions and setting up the stage for our web event on this auspicious day. I am Deepika Menon, a proud graduate from the RIE Bhubaneswar in the year 2000 as well. On behalf of our team, I welcome you all again for being part of us. Before I run through our agenda for today, from the logistics standpoint, I ask all attendees to please mute yourself if not done so already, which will provide the best audio experience from the speakers today. Well, without any further delay, let's look into our agenda. We will begin with the Gandhi Jayanti's message, followed by the significance of our association, RIEAA, RIA, and a quick glance at its vision and mission. We will talk about the association activities, the alumni portal, and some of our accomplishments thus far. We will provide you a summary of registration till date and will end with the concluding remarks. Stay tuned for the exciting and engaging quiz planned today by Mr. Prashant Kumar. We will also be announcing the winners of the logo competition you must be waiting to hear, and the vote of thanks. Now, I invite our next speaker, Mr. Vikas Gupta, to take over from here. Thank you again for being part of us today.
विकास म्यूट पे है. You're in mute, Vikas.
Sorry. Thank you, Biju, and thank you, Deepika, for setting up the stage and setting and giving the briefings of the agenda. So without spending much time, Gandhi ji, as we know that is a very well-known personality, and pretty much around the world, everybody knows about his life, his contribution, specifically to Indian freedom, in freedom of India, as well as around the world as a message of non-violence. Just to give a little bit of a briefing, Mahatma Gandhi is one of the most recognizable personality of the 20th century. He was born in 1869. His father was a government official. At the age of 18, Gandhiji was sent to London to study, where he was qualified for a barrister. He was founder of the Indian Congress in the Natal region of South Africa. In the Times magazine, he was named as a Man of the Year 1930. He was named Mahatma, which means great soul, after his death. He is still an inspirational figure for millions of people. To continue this, just a small introduction of this Alumni Association, where we are all bringing our experience and skills and connections to bring it to a success. An Alumni Association act as a bridge between the alumni and the current students of the institution. It helps to make a strong relationship between the institute and the students who have benefited from the institute. Opportunities for job placements, donations, sponsorship, faculty positions are also possible through such platform that helps alumni to connect with the institute and the present students. It is hard to not remember any of those inspirational quotes. So one I thought which might be a little relevant to today's message. Happiness is when what you think, what you say, and what you do are in harmony. Introduction to the charter of this association. Alumni Association is recognized by the management of all regional institute of educations in India as representing all the graduates of the different RI institutions. The Alumni Association hold a unique place within the RI with the role of engaging more than 250,000 alumni for the benefit of the RI. The Alumni Association is led by a visionary council, here referred as an Alumni Council, with terms of referring, informing its membership, structure, and operation. Vision of this proud association is a proud and inspired community of alumni and students positively influencing the success of the RI. And the mission of this association is to engage RI alumni and students in building the success of one of the world's great network of institutes for the public good by positively extending the RI experience beyond graduation. These are some of the promises, and this is just to begin. Many more to come. The Alumni Association promises to provide alumni with a sense of community and belonging for the purpose of keeping them emotionally connected and actively engaged with the RI throughout their lives. And the charter value is connections, community, integrity, diversity, leadership, innovation, and service. So basically it is playing a role of a liaison between student institutions and alumni around the world. Coming down to some of the activities which we are embarking on right now, and this is just a beginning, and we are looking for ideas, opinions, suggestions from all the students existing, all the students, those who are in the institutions right now, as well as the alumni, to come forward and recommend different activities which is more engaging. So some of these activities we are engaging in networking, reunion, get together, institute events, fundraising, memories, recognitions, periodic newsletters, special festive days. Many of you might be receiving many of these festive emails, which we have started a couple of months back, and this event, what we are having today, is a part of that recognition, as well as bringing alumni together. Now I would like to invite Deepika Menon again to take the presentation forward from here on.
Thank you, Vikas, for letting us know the vision and mission of our association. All right, let's understand what Alumni Portal means. It is a private social network and a database management software that provides a platform for alumni of various educational institutions to come together, which in our case are the various institutions of RIE across India. The portal helps in organization of the large group of alumni database according to their batch, location, and thus enabling effective communication between the alumni. The portal will be entirely managed by the dedicated board members for the smooth running of the association. Okay. Let's look at the perks of having the alumni portal. This list by no means is exhaustive, but gives us an indication of the many opportunities that are along the way. Interested members will be able to register via LinkedIn by one simple click or through our website, which Vikas is going to show you in a few minutes. Members will be able to search other members according to their batch, institution, and location, and will provide opportunities for private messaging or form affinity groups to carry out conversations based on their specific interest. As well as invite members for reunions and other events. Something unique and interesting in the works on the portal will be an inbuilt job dashboard that will provide information on the relevant jobs, and we will host job-related webinars to help current students feel less anxious and ultimately excel in the field of their choice. The portal will also host secured space for online payments to accept donations from the donors within and outside the members of the alumni. Let's look at the accomplishments we have achieved so far. Vikas, over to you.
Yeah. Thank you so much. And this is a very exciting moment. The moment I see this slide, I get so excited that now we are at the mark of 4-digit, very close to that. We have 947 registrations so far, and across the board, across the years, and from various different countries. So just to give you an insight that we have a very strong representation from RI Bhubaneswar, followed by RI Ajmer and RI Mysore. We are very happy to say that all the different RI institutions are coming forward to participate, to be a part of this journey. And we have more than 14 different countries from where we have registrations. So this is something which is we should all feel proud of, and we should share this excitement with our batchmates, our seniors or juniors, so whomsoever we are in touch with, so that we can pass on this positive energy and inspire others to join and be a part of this journey as well. So in the conclusion, I would like to say that yes, we are very happy, and we feel excited to see the response, the great outreach. What we are doing, we are having a strong representation in the social medias also. But yes, always we are looking for suggestions for activities and to take this forward. I would like to pass on this to Deepika Menon to introduce our quiz master for the day, and that is a surprise for which is planned for today's activity.
Thank you, Vikas. Now, without any further delay, you have been with us for so far, but now let's engage ourselves in an exciting event that is coming up, which is quiz that has been designed by Mr. Prashant Kumar. Mr. Prashant Kumar, we are ready for the quiz.
Thank you, Deepika. It's nice to see you all. Welcome for the quiz. It's a quiz based on Gandhiji. I'll just share the link. Wait a minute. Well, RI Ria welcomes you for the first Mahatma Gandhi Jayanti quiz. And there are some rules. Obviously, some rules are there for every quiz. These rules we have to one by one. I'll tell you. The first rule is outside help of any kind is not allowed. This may be this include mobile phone, iPad, texting, or using the internet. RIA is trying to test your knowledge, not what you can Google. Okay, so this is first. The second one is Quizmaster's decision is final, no matter how unfair it may seem. This is for the good of the game, can speed up the game and keep it fair and enjoyable for everyone. And there is one more. First person to give correct answer in the chat box will be considered as talking between questions is not allowed by RANs. Only use chat box and no verbal answer. Please answer to host only. Answer in the chat box, not everyone. Better to give to the host, or you can give to co-host only. Okay. So hope all of you are ready. All of you are ready for the quiz. All the best. Let us start the quiz. So the first question coming up on the way. All of you be ready. First question is, in which year did the current notes with Gandhiji face come in the commission? In which year did the current notes with Gandhiji face come in commission? Into commission? Yeah, we are waiting for the answers. We have around 30 seconds. Vikas is checking that. Vikas is checking 30 seconds. We are still waiting. The hints are very simple. So many, it's not so old.
We have
In
one
fact,
answer, which is from Mr. Piyush Haldar.
okay, so I'll give the answer. I'll give the answer. I'm just waiting one more answer if anyone wants to give.
Yeah,
So
there's an answer from Amit Suri.
okay, so let us see the first answer who gave it correct. The Gandhi series of banknotes are issued by the Reserve Bank of India, RBI, as the legal tender of Indian rupee, which was introduced in 1996. So I think Piyush gave the first answer. It was correct, right? Because
That is close to that, but not the correct answer.
okay, so the
Correct.
correct.
Correctly.
Okay.
It's not correct.
Okay. So who is? No one gave the correct answer
No one
because.
gave the correct answer,
Okay.
but many were very close.
Okay. Okay. No issue. We'll move to the next question. We'll move to the next question. Be ready. The next question coming up. Why is Feb 22 celebrated as Mother's Day in India? Why is Feb 22 celebrated as Mother's Day in India? Any guessing? Anyone giving me answer? Any hint also other member can provide? Even I can provide that.
Just to add a word,
It's,
be
it's
very
not
close
that
to that.
it's not that good news for Gandhiji on that day. Okay.
Time's up.
So anyway, still we can give few seconds because we have only few members. Let us see. Okay, Ritesh has given some answer. So,
We
so
have an answer from Mr. Piyush Kasturba.
be-
And
before
that is,
that, we have, I think, Ritesh also gave, right? Just check. Okay, anyway, because you keep checking, I'll just come back to you. Let us see what was the answer. Let us see what was the answer. Uh, the correct answer The correct answer was Gandhiji's wife died in 1944 while imprisoned in the Aga Khan Palace. Her day of death, Feb 22, is celebrated as Mother's Day in India. Gandhi was also in prison at the time of her death. Gandhi was released from prison only because he contracted malaria, and British officials feared an uprising if he too died while in the prison. So, anyone, any answer?
yes,
Because
I definitely want to say that Mr. Piyush is very, very close, but instead of wife, he mentioned the mother's name, which was expected.
I,
So,
even
I,
Ritesh has given that mother's name only. Okay. Anyone gave some close answers?
not yet.
Okay. So let us move to the next question. Let us move to the next question. Okay. Next question coming up. Next question. Okay. You have to connect these three. This is simple. This is very simple. Hope you can able to give the connection. He is the famous director. Hope you know this famous director. You can easily guess what is the connection. What
Just
is
to
the
add a little
connection?
excitement, being a director, you have to think of a movie.
Yeah, correct. United Nations,
Yeah, time's
Bollywood.
up.
Okay, still we can give few seconds. Few seconds, if anyone. Well, I'm still giving few seconds. Someone gave, I think. No. Okay. So shall we move to the answer? Okay. So the correct answer is Lage Raho Munna Bhai was the first Hindi film to be shown at United Nations and was screened at the Monday section of 2007 Cannes Film Festival. The film popularized the term Gandhigiri. The film was commercial Bollywood production directed by popular Hindi film Rajkumar Irani. It was based on Gandhiji in between the scene. So many scenes Gandhiji was there. Okay. So we'll move to the next question. We'll move to the next question. And this is simple question. Where is the Gandhi Memorial Museum located? We want both place as well as state. Where is the Gandhi Memorial Museum located? Any guessing? Any idea?
Being Indian, it is expected that we should know
Yeah.
this answer.
Where is the Gandhi Memorial Museum located? Well, for time being, I can give a hint that it's somewhere in south. Somewhere in south. And
We
there,
have
other than that, there is some famous thing also is there. Famous.
we have one answer from Sukla Paul.
Okay. Once you get the correct answer, you'll tell me. I'll move to the answer. Okay, and check out the time also together.
We got it.
Where, okay, so let us see what is the correct answer, and finally we'll see who gave it correct. Okay, so the correct answer was in 1959, Gandhi Memorial Museum was established. It is located in the city Madurai in Tamil Nadu, India. It is also known as Gandhi Museum. It consists of blood-stained garment, which was won by Mahatma Gandhi when he was assassinated by Nathuram Godse. And who gave the correct answer? Because
So we got two correct answers from Shukla Paul as a second attempt, and Priyanka Sharma. It was a fractions of second apart. So
but who gave the
the
first?
credit goes to Shukla Paul. He gave first, but no one has mentioned the state. They have said Madurai only.
Okay.
I will suggest that he should be awarded.
Yeah, both you can, if there is fraction second, we'll count both of them. No problem. No issue.
Okay.
Okay. So because our decision, my decision is final, so please take both of them. Give some opportunity.
Okay. Noted.
Okay. So we'll move to the next question. Other than being known as Gandhi Jayanti, what else on an international platform is 2nd October known as? What other than being known as Gandhi Jayanti, what else on an international platform is 2nd October known as? It's very simple. If you know Gandhiji, you should be able to answer this. Why he was famous. You should be able to relate both of the things. International platform. I'm not looking for the other person's birthday. I'm not looking for other person's birthday.
We have one answer.
Okay, correct answer. Hope it is correct answer, right? Because we'll move.
Yeah, we'll give a little few seconds.
Okay, okay.
Just to-
We'll give few seconds. We have time. Anyway, we'll give to the first one in this if it is time is. So we'll move to the correct answer, or you are waiting for time because.
Time's up.
Okay, so let us move. Who gave first? Let us see what is the answer, and then we'll move. His birthday, 2nd October, is commemorated worldwide as International Day of Non-Violence. In fact, Gandhiji was born on Friday. India got freedom on Friday, and Gandhiji was assassinated on Friday. And Vikas, who gave the correct answer?
So we have 1, 2, 3. We have 3 entries, and
Okay,
of
but
which
the first.
two are correct. And the first one is Amit Kumar, International Non-Violence Day.
Okay, so we'll congratulate
Followed
Amit.
by Kumari.
Congratulate Amit. That's great that you are participating. Great to see. So we'll move to the next question. Vikas, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, so please check your time and other details. We'll move. Please keep writing the names. And I'll
Yes.
request the winners when we'll announce, they will give us their email and phone number too. Please. Okay. We'll move to the next question. You have to connect these 3. 2 people and 1 computer-like thing is there. You have to connect these 3 things. It's very famous guy. If you'll give the name of the guy which connects all the 3, that is also given. If you'll just name the guy who connects all the 3.
I would like to give a small clue, a pioneer in computing world.
Yeah. Mostly we known for some mobile and all. Any answers? Okay. Because look the time, check the time. What is going on? What is the time? How many seconds still left? Okay, still we'll give few seconds. I'm giving till this quote by Gandhiji comes. We can give the time.
We have got 1 entry, 1 answer.
Okay, wrong answer, right? So the correct answer was Steve Jobs. First picture is Neem Karoli Baba, Steve Jobs, spiritual guru. The computer is the first one built by Steve Wozniak and Steve Jobs. Steve Jobs was greatly inspired by M.K. Gandhi, and his glasses were inspired by Gandhi's signature round glasses. In fact, he was wearing similar glasses. Okay, So because we got wrong answer or
We
no
got the
correct
wrong
answer?
but
Okay.
very, very well attempt by Amit Kumar.
Okay. Okay. So we'll move to the next question. We'll move to the next question. Okay, this is simple. What is the significance of these years in Gandhi's Ji life? What are the significance of these years in Gandhiji life? 1937, 1938, 1939, 1947, and 1948. This 5 years: 1937, 1938, 1939, 1947, and 1948. We got some entry. Because it's checking. Because it's checking that. Few seconds left. Still. Okay.
Just few seconds.
Okay. 1948 was the day when 2 days before it was done. 2 days before when he was assassinated, that somebody announced about that. So what I'm talking about. Okay, we have two more entries, right? Because
we have multiple answers, and we should go for the answer right now.
Okay, first let us see what is the answer. He was nominated for the Nobel Peace Prize in the year 1937, 1938, 1939, 1947, and a few days before he was assassinated in 1948. Mahatma Gandhi was never awarded the prize, but he was nominated 5 times. And because who gave the correct answer? Anyone close to
The
it?
correct answer was given by Priyanka Sharma and nominated for Nobel Peace Prize, and was followed by, within a fraction of a second, by Shukla Paul with the correct answer.
Okay, so they are going hand in hand. So we'll club together, since last time Shukla was first and this Priyanka was second. So we'll give together again. So let us see. Okay, so we'll go. Next question, we'll move to the next question. Let us move to the next question. We have seen this photograph many times. Where exactly? This is simple question. Every day I'm talking about Gandhiji's photo. I'm just talking about Gandhiji's photo. Where every day we see, actually. Every day. Maybe James sees more often. I'm not racist, but just giving the hint. Just giving the hint. We have few seconds. Still you can try. We have seen this photograph many times. But where? Because how many seconds? You can count down. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. How many seconds left? Check.
2, 1, done.
Okay, any entries you have? We can
not
wait. We can wait, since I am giving this. We can wait till this thoughts by Gandhiji there. Okay, so we'll move. If we have not got the answer, still we can move. The correct answer was, it was taken at the former Visionary House, which is now known as Rashtrapati Bhavan. The mirror image of the original picture has been used on the Mahatma Gandhi series of banknotes. It is there. This is the same picture taken, just the mirror image. Okay, we'll move to the next question.
We
okay,
have
because,
one entry, Priyanka,
okay,
but
it was before me or after my announcement?
Before your answer, but that was not very precise to the question. We will just
Okay,
give the...
let us move to the next question. No problem. Okay. Okay, first you have to check this video.
But I always go fast cars. I've traveled all...
Okay. You want to see it again? I can show you
But I
again.
always go first class. I've traveled all.
Okay. My question is very simple. In the video, the infamous incident of Gandhiji being thrown off at a railway station, you have to identify the station. Identify the station. Don't tell me the country. I want the station name. Okay, it's obviously it is in South Africa. I need the place. Okay, and it start with my name, my letter, first letter. Okay, so anyone
We
I'll
have one
give,
answer.
will give few more seconds till
We
this
have
thought.
two answers so far.
Okay, okay, let us see who gave it correct. We'll move to the
Yes,
correct
yeah.
answer. We'll check the correct answer. The correct answer was, it was at Peter Marty's, oh sorry, Viju wants to join. It was Peter Martinsburg station wait a minute, station that a young lawyer named Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi was pushed out of first class compartment, thus prompting him to think about race and color prejudice. On this, after this incident, he was thinking about this. So who gave it correct answer? Vikas, anyone?
So I'm very happy and actually surprised to see that two correct answers actually.
Okay.
And they are very close. One from Amit Kumar and another from Suklupal. Both are
Okay.
correct answers.
Okay. So time gap is how much?
Within fractions of seconds.
So we'll give both of them. No
Okay.
problem. Okay. I hope you are writing all the names. How
Yeah.
many times and all. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So we'll move to the next question. We'll move to the next question.
Yes.
Okay. So the next question coming up. First, listen to the audio, then I'll ask.
At this point, I don't think he was setting forth violence as an alternative. I think he was emphasizing, or rather trying to refute an
Okay, I'll just play once more.
at this point. I don't think he was setting forth violence as an alternative. I think he was emphasizing.
From the audio,
or
identify
rather
the
trying
famous
to refute
personality
an
who is speaking about Gandhiji. Who was the person who was speaking about Gandhiji? Again, I am not racist, but he was some black guy who was talking about. He was also great person, great orator, and great ruler.
We have one answer so far.
Okay, we have few seconds. We have
There
few
is a
seconds.
request from somebody to play it again.
Okay, no
at
issue.
this point. I don't think he was setting forth violence as an alternative. I think he was emphasizing, or rather trying to refute an
Okay, hope it is done.
I don't think.
Okay, we'll give few seconds till this quote by Gandhiji process.
We have three answers so far.
Okay, so let us see what was the answer, then we'll check who gave it correct. The correct answer was Martin Luther King Jr. And Vikas, who gave it correct?
And the correct answer was given by Amit Kumar.
Okay, Amit Kumar Suri, congrats man, you are doing great. Okay, going great. So write his name. Hope you are writing all the details. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So we'll move to the next question, Vikas. Are you ready?
Ready.
Okay. Let us move to the next question. Question number 11. It's very simple. Identify the man in the picture given below. Identify the man in the picture given below. Very famous, or rather infamous. Means not that.
We have one entry so far.
Identify the man in the picture given below.
We have two answers so far.
Okay, if we got the correct answer, I can move. If you already grew, we can go
5
to the.
seconds.
Okay, we can count. Okay,
Yeah.
countdown Vikas.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll wait till this quote by Gandhiji. Okay, the best way to find yourself is to lose yourself in the service of others. A very good quote. That's why I wanted to read. Okay, let us move to the answer because you are ready. So the correct answer was Nathuram Vinay Godse, the assassin of Mahatma Gandhi, who shot Gandhi in the chest 3 times at point blank range in New Delhi, India on 30th January 1948. And who gave the correct answer, Vikas?
And the 3 entries, all 3 were correct. So the very first was Amit Kumar, the second was Piyush Haldar, and the third is Galaxy Note 8.
Okay, so we'll give the first one. We'll give Amit Kumar Suri if Piyush is far away. Otherwise, we'll combine.
And Amit Kumar were very close, so I will recommend.
So we'll combine, no problem. We combine. Okay.
And thank you to Galaxy Note 8. There is no name on that, so but that was also that was the correct answer too.
Okay. Okay, that's great. Let us move to the next question. 12th question. Which famous personality adorned the term Mahatma to Mahatma Gandhi? This is very simple. Piyush will give. Even Shukla can give. I'm giving the hint by telling all these things. Which famous personality adorned the term of Mahatma to Mahatma Gandhi?
We have 3 answers so far.
Okay, if they are correct, we can move ahead. If they are correct, no need to wait. If they are correct,
yeah, we can move to the answer.
Okay, so till this quote, we can wait. Okay, so let us move to the correct answer. Let us move to the correct answer. Correct answer was Rabindranath Tagore. And who gave it correct? First person to.
We have 4 answers and all 4 are correct.
Okay,
So
first person to give the correct answer was, you can name all 4 first and we'll give to the first one.
So the 4 correct answers were given by Piyush Haldar, Galaxy Note 8,
Okay.
Galaxy Note 8, Amit Kumar and Priyanka Sharma. All 4 gave the correct answer, and the first one was
Piyush. Who was the first?
Piyush Haldar.
Okay, so please write his name. Congrats, Piyush. Great going. Okay. Let us move to the next question. Let us move to the next question. In which year did Mahatma Gandhi appears on the Times magazine as the person of the year? If you are watching the presentation, you would have seen that. If you are watching the presentation today, Vikas gave that answer there. Okay, in which year did Mahatma Gandhi appear on the Times magazine as the person of the year? Exact year we want. We don't want 1 plus 1 minus. We want the exact year.
That who was attentive today?
Yeah.
So we have 3 answers so far.
Okay. If it is correct, I can move to the answer because if anyone is correct, it's correct. Some.
Yeah, we can move on to the answer.
Okay, we'll wait till this quote of Gandhiji. Okay. So the correct answer was 1930. 1930. He was mentioned actually because showed this also. Magazine, Time magazine person of the year in 1930. Okay, and Vikas, who gave it correct?
And the correct answer was given by Shukla Paul, 1930. Had 4 entries from Piyush Haldar, Shukla
Okay.
Paul, Amit Kumar, and Priyanka Sharma. All very,
And
very
who
close.
gave the correct first?
The correct answer is Shukla Paul.
Okay, congrats Shukla, great going. কেমন আছো ভালো তো? Okay, let us move to the next.
ভালো ভালো
Okay, great. So next question, which country released this stamp on Mahatma Gandhi on his 100th birthday anniversary? Which country released this stamp on Mahatma Gandhi on his birth anniversary?
So just to, since it is we are approaching the close, we are heading towards a tie. So
Okay, no issue. I have tiebreaker question also. Don't worry about that.
great.
Okay. Okay. So anyone, any correct answer if you entry
We have
if you
2
got.
answers. We have 2 answers. We'll wait for another few seconds.
Okay. Which country released this stamp? Actually, Gandhiji was what to say. If I'll say that word, you'll guess the correct answer. Okay, if you can say the place also, not the whole country, means in the sense that country is combined together. Some hint I'm giving. And Gandhi ji was very against about that country. Okay, till this quote, I can wait. Cleanliness is next to godliness. Okay, let us see. Because you got it correct, some answers, correct answers.
No, I think we should give the answer now.
Okay, I'll give the answer. No one gave the answer after my clue also. Very strange. I can wait.
Somebody has attempted, but not very correct.
Okay, okay. So the correct answer was United Kingdom. A stamp was, okay, I should go to the United Kingdom was the answer. Now let us move to the next question. Although Gandhi spoke English, which accent of English did he have? Although Gandhi spoke English, which accent of English did he have? Okay, anyone? It's very simple. At least all of us, we should know because we are from RI, teachers, we are teachers. We should be able to give this answer.
We have 2 entries so far. We'll wait for another 5 seconds.
Okay. Okay, although Gandhi spoke English, which accent of English did he have? Okay. All we should be able to answer this. Okay, so let us see.
Yeah, let's go
I'm
for
just waiting for few more seconds. Because it's almost 30 seconds.
Let's go for
I'm
answer.
also
Let's
okay.
go for
Let us see the answer is Gandhi spoke English with a tinge of an Irish accent because one of his first English teachers was Irish. Okay, and because who gave it correct?
Correct answer by Shukla Paul and followed by Priyanka Sharma. So both gave correct answer with a difference of fraction of seconds. So I will suggest.
Okay, we'll combine both. No problem, no issue. So after adding this, can you see who is leading or anyone
Yes.
tie?
So so we are at the completion of the quiz. So the quiz, I will start with the most participation. The most participation was from Amit Kumar and followed by Piyush Haldar. They have attempted almost every question.
Great,
So
great.
thank you so much. And followed by Shukla Paul and Priyanka Kumari. So all 4 participated mostly and given an attempt to all the questions. So I would like to start from the 3rd position, and then to go work backward. So
Yeah, take your time, no problem, no issue.
so the third position is by Piyush Haldar.
Yes. Congratulations. Congratulations, Piyush.
And the second position is a tie
Okay.
between Amit Kumar and Priyanka Sharma. And
Great.
the first
Congrats.
position is the winner is actually Shukla Paul.
Congratulations, Shukla. Congrats, congrats.
So
Thank you.
I will suggest between Amit Kumar and Priyanka Kumari if we can have a tiebreaker, so that at least 2A and 2B we can make it.
You want to give the tiebreaker question
Thank you,
or
sir.
my suggestion? Oh, you want? Or you want to give? Okay, we'll give both of them, but we'll play tiebreaker question also. Okay, is it okay? Okay. So be ready, all of you. Be ready. Be
Okay,
ready.
sir.
And Amit Kumar and Priyanka Sharma, be alert.
Be ready. Okay. So the tiebreaker question coming up. Okay, this you have to name whom Gandhiji was writing letter to. Friends have been urging me to write to you for the sake of humanity, but I have resisted their request because of the feeling that any letter from me would be impertinence. Something tells me that I must not calculate and that I must make my appeal for whatever it may be worth. And he was discussing something war also to stop the war, and then long letter is there. This man is also famous, and he was telling him, requesting him to stop all those things. Who he was addressing to, whom he was addressing to, whom he was writing to the letter.
So we got the correct answer. So between Priyanka and Amit, the correct answer
Okay.
from Priyanka, Adolf
Okay,
Hitler.
the correct answer is Adolf Hitler, and it was given by Priyanka. Congrats, Priyanka. Great going. Great. Congrats. Congrats. Okay, I'll stop the sharing this screen.
So I just
Thank
want to
you,
read
all
out
of you.
one
Thank
more
you, all
time.
of you, for participation. Thank you.
Absolutely, it was exciting. And I just want to read out one more time so that these people, please, you can drop your email address and phone number so we can send you the participation certificate also. So the winner is Shukla Paul, followed by Priyanka Kumari, Amit Kumar, and Piyush Haldar. You all four are requested to drop your email address and phone number.
Yes. Now, may I request, because you have to call some person for vote of thanks, or you are telling something?
So since we are closing, we are towards the closing of today's session, I would like to invite Ms. Gauri.
Before that, I want to, that at least Piyush or Shukla, anyone says to
Want to
should
share your
say a few
experience,
words.
please.
Yeah, their experience.
Yeah, thanks, Prashant, Piyush here. So thanks everyone. It was a very nice experience. Very good questions, actually, unexpectedly good questions. So
Thank you.
I enjoyed it a lot.
Thank you. Shukla Paul, please. We are looking.
Yes, everyone, good evening from India. Actually, it's a very nice question. I felt so much enthusiastic for the answering the answers. So thank you very much for organizing such program for our sake. So thank you so much, Prashant, and thank you everyone. Thank you so much.
And the third, who was third? Amit and Priyanka, if they can also say a few words. कुछ भी बोल सकते हो भाई. Anything you can share.
Thank you. Hello, sir. This is Sharma.
Yeah, Priyanka, go ahead.
Sir, my experience was related. It was very beautiful questions and it was thoughtful questions. thoughtful questions and you have asked. It was a very nice experience. Thank you, sir.
Welcome.
Am I audible, sir? Hello.
Yeah, go ahead.
So it was nice to revive our knowledge about Gandhiji, what they gave and what they teach us about our future and our consequences. And it is great pleasure to talk with you and acquire our knowledge about Gandhiji more.
Okay, thank you, Amit. Thank you all of you, and thank you other participants also. Thank you. Okay, Vikas, over to you.
So before moving on to vote of thank, we have an exciting announcement, and I would like to invite Deepika Menon for announcing the logo winner for the day. That was something which kept secret till the end of this today's event. So I would like to bring up that screen. So we had more than 50 plus entries, and these logos for to be considered as the winner. And the next slide will show you the winner, and I would like Deepika Menon to read out the names, please.
All right, I would say that all of the, whoever did the logo entries, I think all of you are winners. It's just that we had to select the first three, but all of you who participated are going to get the certificate. So stay tuned for that. Our first position goes to Dilip Kumar, who is from Bhopal RIE. We are so excited that we are getting entries from all of the RIs across India. So congratulations again, Dilip Kumar from Bhopal and from the batch 2017. Second position goes to Reema Kumari from RI Bhubaneswar from the batch 2003. Great work, Reema. Actually, I would say that the third position, when I saw the other entries, I think the third position somebody else deserves. But I'm just going to say that the third position goes to Deepika Menon from RI Bhubaneswar. But I would be happy to, have, some of the others who have the third position, because those were so great. Again, you all are winners, and thank you so much for the participation. With that, I would say that please stay tuned for some of the exciting things that are coming up. So what you should be expecting in the near future would be some of our outreach programs. Please look out for our festive emails that we send out to you, and for the fun events that we are planning in the near future. We are also open to take any suggestions for the activities that we are planning, as well as to refine our action plan, and for our website that Vikas is going to show. After Vikas shows us the website and walks you through a little bit of the work that we have been doing, we will have vote of thanks from Gauri. Over to you, Vikas.
So I believe everybody is able to see our website work in progress. So our official website is riealumni.com, and it has few details now, but the development is under progress. And at this point in time, if anybody has any suggestions, or if they wish to have any sections on this website, you are always welcome to send us an email or to reach out any one of us, and we'll be more than happy to accommodate any such request to be reflected on the website. Since it is a team effort, and since it is for all. Anybody with any suggestion which can improve the engagement is welcomed. So at this point in time, I would like to invite Ms. Gauri to give the vote of thank for the day.
First of all, congratulations to the winners and congratulations to the participants also. And thanks to Biju Warrior, Deepika Menon, Vikas Gupta and Prashant Kumar for this wonderful session. It was a special day for all of us and our country, as 2nd October holds a great significance for us and our country. We are lucky to have the taste of the freedom achieved on the principles of non-violence and unity. It is great to see all of you come together. I thank all the participants of today's quiz. We have planned more activities lined up for all of us to contribute to the process of building a strong RI Alumni Association. As Vikas said, all the suggestions, all the advices, any queries, or any creative ideas are most welcome. Okay, till then, see you all, stay safe, and good night.
Thank you, everyone. Everyone can leave. I request our RI member to stay, please. Other people can leave.
Thank you and have a nice weekend. Enjoy your Sunday.